So first of all, open Google and search for Flutter install Mac to install Flutter on your Mac device. Then click on this first result, that is Mac OS install Flutter. Open it, and after opening this site you will have to download the Flutter SDK. So you have to download the latest stable release of Flutter SDK. You can see this blue box, so just click on this, and here you can see that it is downloading and now downloaded successfully. Okay, so now I have to type terminal by clicking on that magnifying glass. It is open. Now I have to go in downloads wherever it is downloaded. Then I will be just copying this to the another folder in which I want to get this SDK. Okay, so I think document is the best, and now I have to create here a new folder, and now I have to give this name of this folder. So I will be giving the name as development. Okay, DEVELOPMENT. Okay, so development. Now I'll be just opening this, and in this I have to paste that. So command plus V. Okay, and now I have to open the terminal again and have to go within this directory. So I will just typing this cd documents. Okay, so I'm in documents, and then afterwards I have to go to in development. So I'll be just opening this. Okay, so I'm within this. Now I have to see whether this file is listed or not. First of all, give permission for that. So click on OK, and then you can see that here the file. Now you have to just follow the commands provided by Flutter Dev site. Okay, so here you have to unzip this zip file. So what I gonna do is to just write this unzip, then you have to write the name of your file. So I'm just writing the name, or you can just copy the name of the file, then you can paste it here. It's upon you. Okay, so then enter. So it is extracted. Here you can see that in the folder. Okay, now what I have to do, I'll be just closing this terminal and then will reopen the terminal. Okay, first of all let this complete it. So it is completed right now. Then what I have to do right now is to close this and open this again. Okay, so you can open the terminal by clicking on that magnifying glass present at the top near the battery and Wi-Fi. Okay, so I am checking whether the Flutter Doctor command is working or not. Okay, it is not working. It is saying that command not found, and then Flutter. Okay, so Flutter command is not found yet. So what I have to do is to provide the path for our Flutter SDK in which we have installed the Flutter SDK. So now what we have to do is to write this export path. Okay, so this is not the complete command. I am just telling you. I will be just typing the whole thing within few moments. Okay, so now I'll be just, you can see that I'll just copy this. So I've copied this, and then what I have to do is to go within that directory documents, and now I'm within, I've listed this and documents. Okay, so now I'm within documents, and then I have to go within the development. So here I'm in development. Now I'll be just paste this command here, command, then okay, and then now the path is set, and I will be checking with Flutter Doctor whether it is working or not. Boom, it is working. Okay, so allow this first of all to access this, and after this I will be just opening the Android Studio and installing the Dart and Flutter plugin on that, and then I will be showing you a demo project with result. Okay, so here I am opening the Android Studio, and I have to go to within SDK manager by clicking on that tools, and here I have to come on this plugins and click on the plugins, and here you have to search for the plugins. So here I will be searching for Flutter, and then I will be installing the Flutter here. Okay, so just click on that, and then the Flutter plugin will install. Then we have to install the Dart also, so install Dart also, but somehow it is automatically installing, but if not, then just search for it and click on the install button, then you will be able to download the Dart also. Okay, so now everything is okay. I will be checking out within the install, so it is required to restart your Android Studio or IDE. So just click on that. Then I have to just check it again. So now it's still showing Xcode develop, but that's not our matter. I'm opening the Android Studio and creating a new Flutter project right now. Here I have to give the Flutter SDK path. So our Flutter is installed within the documents directory, in which development is the folder. So now I have to choose Flutter folder. Okay, document development Flutter. Next, click on next, and then what you have to do is to give the name of your Flutter project. So I'm just giving as first project, but it will be showing the error because I have chosen the capital characters and it is not allowed in Flutter. So you have to give the small characters only. I'm choosing the Android language as Java, then clicking on finish. Okay, so now click on OK, and okay, Android language is Java, doesn't matter because we're gonna use Dart, and here you have to provide the name within lowercase. Okay, then it is installing, and here you can see that it is preparing the workspace, also downloading the required files for Flutter. Okay, so now I have to run this dummy project on the ID on the emulator. Okay, and then here you can see that emulator is not opened yet, so I have to also find this. And if you have not installed the emulator on Mac device, then I have also provided the video for that. You can check on the cards above, and also check within the description of this video. Okay, so our emulator is open. Now I have to click on this run button, and here it is installing the demo app, and you will be able to see the results. So yes, the app is installed, so everything is good. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel Techno Learning.